Yeah, I get you. It's really a hard day's night, and I've really been walking like a dog, as the Beatles sang. I feel like I'm losing control. How much I wish I could get rid of all the tension I've been saving up the whole day. It's a pity I'm not sure how to do it. Well, but what does the word stress mean? Scientifically, it's the body's method of reacting to a condition such as threat, challenge, or physical and psychological barrier.
Oh, Maya, it's you. Why aren't you coming?
What?
Wait, don't play the fool. Come on, girls are waiting.
Listen, there must be some kind of mistake. I just don't know you.
Is everything alright? You seem nervous and new. Come on, let's dance and you will forget your problems.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Hey, are you okay? Has something happened?
No, never mind. I'm just a little bit puzzled, and that's all.
Alright, I'll repeat. I need an new dress because my family is going to have a party for my mom's birthday and I've seen a nice one on the website of this shop. So I want to try it on now. Will you join me?
I see, but
By the way, there are many pretty blouses on sale. I think they would fit you well.
no, thanks. I really appreciate your concern, but believe me, I have plenty of shirts already.
No problem, I just thought buying something would cheer you up. So can you wait for me outside the mall then? I promise to be done in 15 minutes.
Take your time. The fresh air will do me good anyway. You know, it will clear my mind and all of that stuff.
Fair enough.
It's time to talk about
You close to us, my. Have some fun and relax. Come on.
Okay.
Yes, I ride buses every day.
Hey guys, I want to get on this meet. Are you with me?
Yes.
You know, there is no point in just sitting and moping. I doubt there is anything in the world that can steer you up.
I guess there must be something. Listen, I'm very sorry, but I'll go home now.
What? Seriously? You know, I'm starting to think you enjoy being in a sulk.
Oh, that's very nice of you to say that and to rebuke me for not wanting to monkey around with you and your fellows. Thank you. I'll go home now. Bye.
I didn't know you're such a pettish girl.
Okay.
Bye.
Hey, hope I'm not disturbing you. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm fine too, thanks.
And don't worry, I'm not busy at all. And to tell you the truth, even if I was, it would still be a pleasure to talk to you.
I'm calling to say I've listened to the records you've recommended.
Already? You're really supersonic.
Yeah, just like in that Oasis song.
So, what's your verdict?
Well, Always Ascending by Franz Ferdinand is a true masterpiece. Every song on this record is fabulous and I like it.
Wow, that was a bizarre dream. Dancing, shopping, wandering around with a bunch of teenagers. All this doesn't help me to unwind, but there was something else. Music? God, how could I forget about music? It's the best way to put everything bad and stressful out of your head. Of course, you can disagree with me. We all know there's no accounting for taste. You can prefer something different to music as long as it makes you happy and helps you to unwind. Oh no, I'm already late. I shouldn't have talked that much and played with you.